Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain sequencing problem. In sequencing problem, two machine problem. Today I am going to explain the processing n jobs through two machines. Now here to do this problem, they will give you one problem like this. Determine the optimal sequencing to complete the following tasks on two machines. Tasks A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I. 9 tasks are there. Machine 1, the processing time like this. Machine 2, the processing time like this is given. Now this problem in lengthy method I did like this, just to go through once. After that how to do in shortcut method, detailed explanation I have given the detailed explanation. Just to go through once this detailed explanation. After that I will explain in very much shortcut method. You can go through from that also. First you just go through once of this one and then I will explain in some other paper. Like this, the sequence, you will get the sequence like this. Now I will explain in very much shortcut method. Now to do this problem, two machine problem, once again I wrote the problem. Task A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I and machine 1 processing time, machine 2 the time is given. Now to do this problem, you have to see the minimum time out of all the values. The most minimum number is, out of all the values the most minimum is 2. 2 lies in which row? Machine 1. Machine 1 values always you have to write the left side. Machine 1 or machine A values you have to write in the left side part. Left side means this, from this side you have to write, from this side like this you have to write. Now machine 2 or machine B values you have to write from the right side. From this side to this side you should write. Machine A or machine 1 values from left side, from this side to this side we have to write, and machine 2 values you have to write from right side, from right side, from this side to this side like this. Now if you see observe all the values, the most minimum is 2. 2 lies in machine 1. Machine 1, that's why machine 1, 2 lies in machine 1, as well as the value is above the task is A. That's why I will write here A here, because machine A values we should write always from left to right. Now machine 2 A, task A is over, that's why I cancelled. Now out of the remaining values, the most minimum, if you observe, how much is there? The most minimum 3 occurs how many times? If 3 occurs only one time means you can write that one. If 3 occurs 2 times or 3 times like that, we have to see the above values also. Now 3 is the most minimum. 3 lies on the machine 2 or machine B. Now machine B, that's why from right side to left side we should write. 3 occurs how many times? 2 times. Now 2 times 3 occurs. Now here for 3 task E is there, and for 3 task G also there. Which one we should write first? Now 3 is there, task E, 3 is there, task G also. Now which one we should write first? For that one, to find that one, above 3 how much is there? 6 is there. Above 3 how much is there? 7 is there. Which one is minimum? 6 is minimum. That's why E, first we should write E and then we should write G. Like that. The most minimum, the next most minimum is 3. That's why machine 3 lies on machine 2. That's why we have to write right to left. If only one value is there, we should write from, we have to write in the this side. Now 2 values or 3 values occurs means the above values you have to see. The minimum is 6. Above 3, 6 is there. That's why first 3, the next G. Therefore, task E over, task G also over. The next, out of the remaining, the most minimum is 4. 4 occurs how many times? 3 times. The next minimum is 4. 4 occurs 3 times. Now for 2 4s occurs on machine A. First we will see the machine A. 4 here is there, here also is there. 2 fours occurs in machine A. Machine A means from left to right. Machine B or machine 2 means right to left. Machine 1 means left to right. Machine 2 means right to left. Now 4 occurs in machine A. Machine A means we have to write left to right. Now 4 repeated 2 times. That's why the below value you should take care. The below value near 4 below 4 7 is there. Below 4 11 is there. Which one is minimum? This is 7 is 7 is minimum. That's why the task is C. First C and next I. We should write I like this. And we finished these two also. We will cancel these two also. C is over, I is also over. Out of the remaining B, F, H. B, F, H. The most minimum is 5. 5 occurs how many times? 2 times. Now 5 occurs 2 times. That's why 5 2 times is there on machine 1. That's why we have to write left to right. B, below 5 8 is there. Here also below 5 8 is there. That means you can write either B or H. First B or H, that is your wish. If I write B, next I should write H. Otherwise you can write first H then B. Here you can write B H or HB also you can write, that is your wish. Because below 5 8 is there. Here also below 5 8 is there. That is your wish. Both are same, both are correct. Either B comma H you can write or H comma B also you can write. Now therefore these two 5 this B is over and H is also over. The remaining is here 4 is also already over. D already we used. We did not use D. We forgot to use D. Because 4 occurs. 4 is the minimum one. 4 is in the previous one. 4 is the minimum one. 4 machine 2 4. That's why from right to left I wrote here. The only remaining is F. That's why F here. Now this is the sequence. The sequence you can write like this or another sequence. The same sequence. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 A C I H B F D G E. Both this is also correct, this is also correct. This is shortcut method, you can do like this also. Next, this table we have to draw tasks. How much we have got the tasks? The tasks are A, B, C, D, F, A, C, I, B, H, F, D, G, E is there. That tasks I wrote like this. And machine 1, time in, time out. Machine 2, time in, time out. Time in initially means at 0 time. 0. Time out for task A. For task A, the time initial time is initially 0. After task A, it is 2. Near in machine 1, 2 is there. That's why 2. Now, next task C. This 2 as it is, I will write 2. And near task C, what is the value? 4 is there. 2 plus 4, 6. Here 6. Near I, how much is there? 4 is there. We are writing for machine 1. That's why I am seeing the machine 1 values only. In machine 1, initially 0. Time out is 2. That's why 2. The 2 as it is, I wrote here. For machine C, the value is 4. 2 plus 4, 6. This 6 as it is, I am writing. For I, how much is there? For I, 4 is there. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 I am writing here. For B, how much is there? 5 is there. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 as it is, I will write. H, near H, how much is there? 5. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 I will write here. 20. Near F, 8. 20 plus 8 is 28. 28 I will write here. Near D, 9. 28 plus 9 is 37. 37 I will write here. 37 for G, how much? 7. 37 plus 7 is 44. 44 I will write here. Now for E, how much is there? 6. 44 plus 6, 50. Like this you have to write. Using this value for machine A values you have to write. Now for machine 2, time in. Time in is the first machine A is 0, time out is 2. Now this 2 I will write here as it is 2. Now time out for machine A, machine 2, time out. Machine 2 value is 6. 2 plus 6, 8. For machine 2, A value near A is 6. 2 plus 6, 8. Now this 8 as it is I will write. Now for C, how much is there for machine 2? For C, machine 2 is 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. 8 plus 7 is 15. Now 15 I will write as it is. See, while filling the machine 2 values, we have to observe very much carefully. Here, time in is, here the end value time out is 2, that's why 2. For machine B, for machine 2, A value is 6, that's why 2 plus 6 is 8. Now here, we have to observe this value and this value. Which one is maximum? 8 is maximum, that's why here. For suppose here 10 is there means you have to write 10 here. You have to observe this and this very much carefully. Which one is maximum? 8 is there. That's why 8 I wrote here. Now for 8 plus for C machine 2 how much is there? 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. Now you have to observe 15 and 10. Which one is maximum? 15. That's why 15 here. 15 for I. How much is there? I for I machine 2 11. For I machine 2 is 11. 15 plus 11 is 26. Now 26, 15, which one is maximum? 26. That's why 26. Otherwise, we have to write whatever the value, maximum value only. These two you have to compare. Out of these two values, maximum value you have to write 26. For B, how much is there? For B, 8. 26 plus 8 is 34. 34 here. Now 34 and 20, which one is maximum? The maximum value only we should write. 34. Maximum is 34. Now 34 H, how much is there? H machine B. H machine B is 8. 34 plus 8 is 42. 42, 28. Compare these two. Which one is maximum? 42. That's why 42. 42 F. How much is F for machine B? F 9. 42 plus 9 is 51. Now compare 51, 37. Which one is maximum? 51. 51 D machine B. 4. D machine B 4. 51 plus 4, 55. Which one is maximum? 44, 55. Maximum is 55. That's why 55. Which one is maximum identify and that only we should write. 55. Now 55 for G machine B how much? Machine 2 how much? For G 3. 55 plus 3, 58. Now 58, 50. Out of these two maximum is 58. For E machine B, E machine B 3. 58 plus 3, 61. Like this you have to compare and maximum value only we should write. Now the total elapsed time is the total elapsed time is equal to 61 hours. After that, idle time for machine A and idle time for machine B we have to find using these two formulas. Total elapsed time is after completion of first machine and second machine, the total time is, this is the total elapsed time. After completion of the first machine and the second machine, total elapsed time is 61 hours. After that, idle time for machine A or machine 1, both are same. I am writing A formula. Machine A or machine 1, this is the formula, and idle time for machine B or machine 2 is this is the formula. Now idle time, this is the formula. Idle time for machine A is or machine 1 is equal to total time 61 minus time when the last job is finished on A. Last job finished on A or machine A is 50. 61 minus 50 is equal to 11 hours. Now idle time for B or 2. Idle time for machine 2 or B is equal to, the formula is time at which the first job is finished on A. First job finished on A is 2 plus sigma time starting of jth job on B minus time when j minus 1th job finished on B. 8 minus 8 plus 15 minus 15. See, 8 minus 8, 15 minus 15, 26 minus 26, 34 minus 34, 42 minus 15 minus 15, this one we should write 58 minus 8, 15 minus 15, 26 minus 26, 34 minus 34, 42 minus 42, 51 minus, all these things we should write, and so on up to 58 minus 58, that is equal to 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 and so on 0, that is equal to 2 hours. Idle time for machine 1, idle time for machine 2, like this you have to calculate. Thank you very much.